So today I'm going to make a face mask. I want to make a face scrub, and what I'm going to use, I'm going to take some honey, some rose water, some yogurt. This is gram flour, turmeric, qasil. This is some fenugreek powder. This is sandalwood, and this is bentonite clay. So each I'm going to measure half a teaspoon of it, half a teaspoon of the gram flour, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of qasil, sandalwood powder, and this is some fenugreek. And then I'm going to take some sandalwood. I've been using some sandalwood so it